today we're going to find out what are the actual differences between thickening serum and volumizing mousse. So I have just washed my hair, just shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to put in my leave-in. I'm going to put that everywhere. So the results of this experiment are the same on both sides. So in my other video that I will link here for you guys to go check out, I explained a little bit between the difference between a thickening serum and a volumizing mousse. The thickening serum is going to thicken your hair strands, giving your hair an overall fuller feel and appearance, and the volumizing mousse is going to use polymers to lift your hairs up and away from your scalp. So in my other video, we tried using them together to see how that worked. But now I'm gonna split my hair down the middle, use this one on this side and this one on this side, rough dry my hair all over, doing a volumizing rough dry, and then we will see how different are the results between a thickening serum and a volume mousse. And I'm doing this for the first time with you guys. I've never actually done these side by side. I've used them on their own, but seeing if there is a significant difference once it's done at the same time is a really interesting experiment, I think, and I'm excited to see the results. So stick around because this is going to be interesting. All right, so we are going to attempt to split my hair pretty much down the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect, but and we are going to keep in mind that this side is going to be thickening serum and this side is going to be volumizing mousse. So I'm going to start with the mousse. I have to use about half as much as I normally do, obviously, because I'm not doing my whole head. So get that everywhere into the roots, and I do put it a little bit everywhere, not just in the roots. Now I'm just going to wipe off my hands, make sure we don't get any product transfer. And I usually use like 4 to 6 pumps of this, so I'm gonna use like 2 big pumps and 1 little pump for half. Because I do find with this thickening serum, it's definitely finding the right amount. Just like with mousse, if I use too little, it doesn't really do anything, but if I use too much, it does kind of make my hair feel gross. So everywhere, right from the roots, all the way down to the tips. All right, so product is in, and we are gonna do what I call a volumizing rough dry. So I'm gonna flip my head upside down, I'm gonna blow dry, but I'm also going to direct the hair in opposite directions with a little bit of tension using a hairbrush while I do it. All right, let's check out the results. So we'll part it down the middle again. I mean, I have to say, they gave very similar results. Now, if you were to feel my hair, and I know, unfortunately, you all can't feel my hair, but this side absolutely feels thicker. There is a more of a full feeling in my hair. This side feels much more light. Much more like my natural hair. And you can see when I kind of like fluff down, I would say, honestly, I think the thickening serum on its own is the one that's going to give you the more fullness, because it's giving me that volume and lift here, just like the volume mousse does. You can see it gets nice lift, but there isn't really much fullness through this part of my hair. With the volume mousse, it falls out really quick, really easy. If I brush through everything, you'll see lots of lift, not a lot of fullness. And if I brush through everything here, you get lots of lift and a lot more fullness. I mean, obviously my hair is only capable of so much. I can't give myself twice as much hair as I naturally have, but there's a definite difference. So we have determined that there's not a massive difference between your volume mousse and your thickening serum, but your thickening serum will give you slightly fuller looking and feeling hair than the volumizing mousse, and it's still going to give you that nice root lift and volume. And because it's really added fullness to all of your hair, I would assume that this volume is going to last longer and more of it's going to last than this, because there definitely is no fullness through the body of my hair with the mousse, only with the thickening serum. I snapped this picture really quick before I went to bed at the end of the night, and you can see the side with the thickening serum definitely held up better than the mousse side. I hope you found that helpful. That was a really fun experiment for me, so hopefully you enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing it. Let me know in the comments if you have tried thickening serum. Which one have you tried? Have you really liked it? Because this is the only one I've tried so far, the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Carb-Infused Thickening Serum. But I know there's lots of other thickening serums out there. I would love to try some other ones. So if you try one and you can recommend it, let me know in the comments. Or let me know your favorite volume mousse, because I do love this Design Me Puff Me Volume Mousse. But I would love to see what you guys love, and I would love to try some new ones. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let me know in the comments what other types of videos you guys would like to see, because I want to make content that you guys want to watch. Make sure you subscribe if you are not already a subscriber, because I would love to have you as part of my DIY Hair to Grow family, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!